Okay. So good morning, everyone. Am I audible properly?
Good morning, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
everyone aware why we are here today? We want to learn machine learning with Python, and it would be a 20 hours course, which we are starting today. Today is 11th, and we would be wrapping it up on 20th. So it would be like 2 hours per day. Okay. And your trainer for this course is Subhashis. He's here with us. Yeah, everyone. So few instructions before we start. So every day we would be having sessions. Today we have session in the morning 11 to 1, but for rest of the sessions from tomorrow, we would be meeting in the evening 6:30 to 8:30. Okay. It's my humble request to all of you to not to miss on any session because we would be learning coding and projects and everything. So if you are missing on one session, it is going to break your understanding, right? Yeah. The
Yes, ma'am.
more
Yes, ma'am.
engaged you will remain with Subhashish, he will teach you everything to the best possible manner. Whenever you have any queries, you can ask him. I would be there in few of your sessions. You can ask me as well. I have created a WhatsApp group where I am there in the group. If you have any concern, any query, anything, you can ping me personally as well. Not a problem. And are you aware how we are going to give you the certificates? So after 20 hours course, there would be an exam and you have to score 60% and above. Then only you will be certified. Yeah, everyone, any queries?
No,
No, ma'am.
ma'am.
Yeah.
No,
So
ma'am.
please remain engaged. Whatever queries you have, you can ask your trainer. Wherever you get stuck, you can ask your trainer. If you are finding the sessions fast, you can ask him to be slow as well. He will go slow as per your requirement. Make sure you are learning. That is the agenda. Correct? Everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
So
Yes, ma'am.
you already know some of the basics, but we would be starting from the start and we would be quickly take you through the basics so that we all are on the same page. We cannot skip the basics because you know. Because हो सकता है कहीं पे कोई gap हो तो वो फिर हम यहाँ पे take care कर लेंगे. Right? So over to you, Subhashish. You can share your screen and you can start.
Hi all. So today we are starting your Python session. First of all, we go through the introduction part of this Python.
Subhashish, share your screen and please be a bit louder.
Yeah. So we are starting from this basic part of this Python introduction part. Clear. My PPT is visible, all of you.
Yes, yes, visible. Go ahead.
So introduction to Python, first of all, and Python is a program. Python is a popular programming language. It was created by Guido van Rossum and released in 1991. And it is used for web development as well as server side, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. Next part is that for the web development, Python can be used to build web application using framework like Django, Flask, and Pyramids, etc. And second is the Python is used for data analysis and visualization. Python is powerful libraries such as Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib for the data manipulation, analysis, and visualization. Our part is that data analysis and visualization part is that. So second, third one is that machine learning and AI. Python is extremely used in machine learning and AI project scripting. Python is commonly used as a scripting language for automating the tasks and system administration and more. Fourth one is your web scripting. Python has a library, Beautiful Soup and Scrappy to scraping the data from the website. This is for the web scraping. Fifth one is natural language processing, NLP. This is a
So
part
guys,
of
do
the
you just a second, guys, do you know what is web development? Do you know what is web development? What is web? बिकॉज हमें पता होना चाहिए आप किस पेज पे हो, उसी हिसाब से वी विल गो इनटू द डिटेल्स. What is web development, people? Tell me. And if you are not clear, why you did not ask this question? Anyone? Dheer, what is web development? Manan?
Ma'am,
Is it developing a website?
Developing a website. What is web scraping? Shubhachi, share your screen. I want to see the PPT. What is
Yes.
web
Ma'am, web
scraping?
scraping is basically, ma'am, we are taking, extracting data from the website which is available online, collecting data.
Okay, what is data analysis, guys? What is data analysis? What is the difference between analysis and visualization?
Data analysis is when we extract some hidden information from the data, and
Exactly.
means and
Exactly.
visualization.
And
After
yes.
analyze the data, whatever we are getting the results, we try to put it into a way that is easily understood by others.
Okay, got it. Subhashish, you can continue.
So last fifth one is your natural language processing. Okay, natural language processing library such as NLTK, that is the language, and species work with human language. Basically, natural language we are dealing with the textual data. Whatever the data we get from this is a text data, like whatever you have to write on the review part of your any website like Twitter, Facebook, whatever the comment you get, this is the from this review data we take off this review data and analyze it and generate the output as it is positive review, negative review, neutral review. This is the part of the natural language processing. Clear. Sixth one is the image processing and computer vision. Python is library like OpenCV, Pillow for the image processing and computer vision tasks. This is used for the computer vision, means this is a process the image, like you have the image there, then you should process the image for generate the different type of output. Clear about all these 6 points. So next slide I'm moving. So in the next slide, we have to, what is the prerequisites to learn Python? Okay, means if you have knowledge about any programming language, this is a plus. The reason for the increasing popularity of this Python, so emphasize the code of relativities and shorter codes and easy to writing. Okay, the Python code we are writing very means readable part as well as short code, not as the very long script of code we are running in this Python. Programmers can explain logical concept of fewer lines of the codes in comparison to language such as C++ or Java. In C++ or Java, whatever the coding is that very large number of code will run at a time, but in Python you have to run small amount of code. Clear. Python support multiple programming paradigm like object-oriented, imperative, and functional programming procedure. Functional programming procedure means it is the object-oriented, means OOPS concept and class concept also support, like C++ or Java. There is a exist of inbuilt function, all the frequently used in this concept. Clear about
Khushi,
it?
come on mic and ask your question.
Clear about it?
Sir, what is imperative programming?
Imperative programming say like multiple programming we are using, like we have C++ or Java is there, and in the C++ Java we are using class, object, and OOPS concept are, this is the part of this imperative programming. Functional programming, like we have to call the function or procedure, this is the also support the Python also support this part. Clear? Will be cover
Okay,
it.
sir. Thank you.
So there is a exist inbuilt function almost used in frequently used in concept. Next part, next slide I am moving. If you have any doubt, please ask me. Okay, in this slide.
Sir, can you please reshare the screen? We are unable to see the presentation if you have shared.
Presentation.
Dheer, the screen is visible to us.
Can reshare it.
I can't see the screen.
Share again,
We
probably.
rejoin.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
your screen
next,
is visible.
Next part is Python and Python data analytics. So first of all, we understand what is the data analytics. Company generally collect the large amount of data, but in the raw format, which does not provide any meaningful information. Like the data is stored in database like SQL, Oracle, and CSV file and text file. Okay, so the company collect the data from the different platform. Clear? So these are does not give the meaningful information about the data. So we are using Python for analytics, like data analytics. Python is a powerful programming language for analytics because it is flexible and huge library collection and graphics visualization. So through the Python, we have to visualize the different type of charts and visual, and we will understand how many records are in the data, how many different uh, data in the graphical format like pie chart, like bar chart, like distribution plot, box plot, all these things are there. Some of the key library of Pythons is where we learn all these things like NumPy. NumPy is used for numeric computation in Python. Second one is Pandas. Pandas is stand for data manipulation. Okay, NumPy is used for numeric operation. Pandas is used for data manipulation analysis. For this pandas will be load from the data from the different file like Excel, CSV file and analyze it. Matplotlib and Seaborn library for the data visualization. And scikit-learn is a library used for machine learning. Clear about it, this slide? Any
Everyone,
question?
any doubts so
Yes,
far?
ma'am.
Any
No, ma'am.
doubts? Have you covered
No,
these
ma'am.
earlier?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. We
Yeah.
have covered.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the reason we are going a bit fast. Okay. In the coming sessions, we would be a bit slow, right? Everyone?
Okay,
Everyone
ma'am.
clear about this?
Yes, ma'am.
Sure.
And wherever
Yes,
you
ma'am.
think that we need to explain more, you can ask your doubt.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, please go ahead.
So next, what is a Python installation part? In the Python installation part, we are go with Anaconda. So those who have system requirement like i5 or i3, the processor generation is there, and we are using the minimum 8 GB RAM. Okay, so for your system requirement, you should download the Anaconda and install it. I'll be guide you how to download it. Those who have installed Anaconda in your system previously, this is the Anaconda website. Okay.
So
Yes,
guys
we
who
have
all have,
all of us.
anyone who is not having this software, anyone who is not having
No, ma'am. We
Anaconda
have
installed,
this.
everyone has,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
then
ma'am.
should we skip this?
Sure, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Subhashish, you can skip the download part.
Yeah. So next part we are starting about the Python programming concept. And in this Python programming concept, we are starting about how you write the Python part. Like we have writing this script like hello. Okay. So Python script started with this part like print hello. This is the part we have to store as hello. So it will be printing. This is the hello. Okay. If you print anything like print statement in this doubles quotes. Okay. Doubles quote and write the text here. Write your text. If there is a name like we have name is that like A S H T. This is the name. Okay. Then we have to use double quotes. This is the one interview question. If there is a S H, okay, then you are using single quote also. This is working. Clear. So this is the use cases of single quote and double quotes in Python scripting. Clear.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
next slide we are understanding about the Python comments. When you are writing this comments, Python comment is to explaining about the code. Okay, you have to write the hash symbol using Python comment. So comment can be used to make the code more readable as well as to prevent the execution of testing of the code. If anyone those who have to no idea about this code part, if I write the code, I have to write a sub comments. Then those who have the user who have to able to understand what are the code is written below. Clear.
Yes, sir.
So let's start about the Python programming part. So I am moving to,
Practical part, right?
yeah, practical part.
Yeah, so
So
everyone
first,
please open your Anaconda and he would be telling you how to write down the codes and all. Okay.
so Anaconda part, those who have Anaconda, they have to open it. If they have those who have not Anaconda, then you should go to Google. Okay, Yeah, you should go to Google and type here Google Colab. Yeah. So Google Colab is a library as same as Jupyter Notebook. Clear? Yeah. Listen carefully, then you should ask. Listen carefully, then you should ask it. Okay, I'll be come one by one session. So you should go to Google Colab and you should open it here. Okay, clear? Yeah, you should open it here. Then in your system, there is a file is there. Then you have to open the new notebook. Open a new notebook. Clear? Then new notebook is open. Clear? Those system, listen, those who have low configuration of system, they can use it. Okay. This part. So I have to rename this part here. Yeah, rename it here and rename it to introduction to Python. Clear? Introduction to Python dot ipynb. Clear? So first of all, this is the part you should do currently. Those who have not installed this Anaconda, then those who have Anaconda, then I guide you. Okay. Anyone who has Anaconda, please open it and share your screen. Then I'll be guide you. Currently, I'm not installed Anaconda in my system. Okay.
So who would be sharing the screen, guys? He would be guiding you to write down the code on one of your screens. Who would be sharing the screen? And Subhashish, please install Anaconda from the next session on your screen only, okay?
Yes.
Yeah. So today, who would be sharing the screen, guys? So one by one, we would be asking everyone to share the screen so that you are comfortable writing the code in front of us. So Sapna would be doing. Sapna, go ahead. Sapna, are you sharing?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah. Open the Anaconda Navigator here. Go to Anaconda Navigator. You open it. Yeah, there is an option called a Jupyter Notebook. Open it, the Jupyter Notebook, launch it. Yeah, guys, you have this idea about this Jupyter Notebook. Please increase the size, okay? Clear. And you should first create a folder. Everyone should create a folder. Go to new option here at the corner. Okay. Create a folder. This is the rename the folder as Python version 1, V1, Python V1. No, folder is there. In this folder, you have to create it. Click here, folder. Scroll down. Don't delete it. Don't delete it. Cancel it. Click here, new. Create a folder here. Okay, already created. Scroll down. Scroll down. You have to scroll down it. On title folder is there. Okay, on title folder is there. Okay, go to upper part. I guide you. Everyone should follow it. Go to upper part. Clear. Yeah, click other part. No, click here outer part of this thing. Before the download option, there is a folder option either. Click here, scroll down it. Scroll down. On there is a untitled folder one. Click here. Okay. Done. Click here. Click here. Go to folder one. Go to Jupyter. Okay. Let me share my screen. Okay. Wait a second. Let me share my screen. I'll be guide you. Okay. Click here inside this folder. Scroll upon. Scroll upon. Click here new. Okay. Click here new part. Click here the new. When you click
Sir,
that this.
can sir, actually it's not like I click, but it's
Why
not
you guys are
showing.
not able to follow the instructions? Sapna?
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah. This is the introduction of this Python. Okay. Clear.
Yes.
Please show me. Yeah. Show me
Huh.
this screen. Okay. So
Okay.
everyone please listen carefully. Okay. So there is a option called as where you have to sales are there. These are the sales. Clear? Share your screen.
Screen already share है.
Wait a second. I am sharing my screen. Wait a second.
Okay. Okay.
My screen is visible now. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is the Jupyter lab. Okay, in your Jupyter lab, this is the cloud part of the Jupyter lab. You have this is the cells are there. Okay, in the cells you have to write the code. Here you have file same as your part. Okay, you have to launch new notebook here and you have to write the code. Okay, this is the view, edit part, view, run and kernel. This is the same in your Anaconda window. So in the sales you have to write the code. You have to add the code here in the plus option. Clear? As same. So like in this Google Colab, okay, like in Google Colab also we have this code part. You have to write the inside the sales. Okay, so we have to write the code here. So whatever the code I'm writing here, you should write on Jupyter Notepad. Jupyter Notepad. Okay, clear? Hello. Hello. Are you able to listen my properly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I'm starting with this variable in Python. Okay, clear? Variables. Okay, variables is a use for containing the storing the elements. Okay, clear? So let's suppose creating a variable is there is no command to declaring a variable. Okay, you have to write x is equal to in this way 5 and y is equal to Mike print and x and y. So you should go to Colab or your Jupyter notebook, write x is equal to 5. If you run it, then the x is visible. If you write again x, or you should print x. Write the command is print x. Python is case sensitive, so you have to write is uppercase also. Okay, it is a case sensitive part. So this is a integer part of this variable. We are declaring a integer part. If I declare a variable a is equal to hello, clear? Then I execute a, then a is a visible here. Hello. Then I write it print a. Please write the code as same as what I am writing. All are writing this code.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's discuss about the data types in Python. Clear? So data types in Python. So you should write your command like in this way. Data types in Python. Clear? So there is a different data type. You have to run this cells by using shift enter. If you press shift enter, then the new cells is generated. Okay. So if you press enter here, then it will be moved to next line. Clear? So first one is your string data type. String. Second is your integer data type. Has symbol is the commenting this part. Okay. Third one is your float. fourth one is a boolean. Clear? Or you understand the data type? In the data type, we have storing the data type in this double quotes and single quote also. And in the string, that is the starting with 0 to 9, 0 to 9. And float variable are like 12.5. Any this point value like 5.6, or boolean we have truth and false is there. Hello, clear about it? Data type,
Yes, sir.
please confirm.
Yes, sir.
So next we are starting with the string data type. Clear? So first of all, we store a variable here. Create a variable a is equal to a is good. Clear? So print a. How to check whether it is a data, which type of data type? Check. Okay, check the data type. Inside the checking the data type, you have to write the command type of a. So it will be check it is a str type data type. Str means string type data type. Clear? Hello. Next one is your
Yes, sir.
length.
Yes, sir.
Length of the string is that length is the how many characters are there. Like he is good. Like there is a 4 character good part. Like 1, 2, 2 spaces, 4. It will be count the number of character. Okay, he is a good. Like I have to define a character, another string. B is equal to India. Clear? So if I print B, so it will be printing the B. Then I write here length of the B. Clear? So there is a number of words is 5. Clear it? Next move to PPT. So like we have operation on the data type, like integer data type, like addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Clear? Like we have understand about this length in counting the length of this part. Next, we are indexing on the string. Okay, indexing is a process to accessing the element from this any string. Okay, if I define a string, C is equal to India. Okay, clear? So print C. Print C means it is printing the C. So if I access the element, first element, print C, and writing this command as 0. So it will be access the first element. Try to understand through the pen. I will give you the better understanding of it. So there is a character. Okay, clear? Try to understand. Like we have, this is our character INDIA. Okay, INDIA. Try to understand. It is applicable everywhere. It is a starting position of the string. Always start with 0. Then it is 1. Then it is 2. Then it is 3. Then it is 4. Clear? And the beginning ending part, it is starting with -1, then -2, -3, -4, and -5. Clear? If I write -5, then it is achievable I also. -1, this is achieve this last part. Print C -5 I. Okay, print C -1 A. Clear about it?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
let's do arithmetic operation. We have defined x is equal to 10, and we are defining y is equal to 5. So x and y two variable. If I print x, it is defined as 10 and y defined as 5. Clear? That is two variable. Like x is defined as 10, it x store the value 10 and y store the value 5. Then we move x, that is a z. Z is equal to x plus y. Printing the z, it will be adding the x plus y 15. Z is equal to x minus y. Print the z. This is 5. 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Then z is equal to x into y. 50. Z is equal to x divided by y. 2.0. Clear? This is 2. Clear idea about arithmetic operation of the Python?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Then we
ma'am.
start about the data structure in Python. Okay, clear. Try to understand there is a 4 type of data structure in Python. This is first one is your list.
Subhashish, एक
Second,
second, just a second.
yeah, yeah.
So whenever you are explaining anything in practical, you have to give them the time to practice in class.
Okay.
Do not move
Clear.
to the next topic immediately.
Okay, clear.
Okay.
So please
So everyone,
practice.
whatever he has written, please take 15 to 20 minutes and do it on your screen. Yes. And wherever you have the query, ask. And once you are done, all of you will raise the hand here in the Teams. Do you know how to raise the hand here?
Yes, ma'am.
So please do it. This is 11:40. By 12, you would be practicing this code, whatever he has covered. Okay.
Yeah,
Ma'am, we have
starting from the
already done that.
You have already done this. So
Yes,
whoever
ma'am.
is aware of this, whatever you, if you have done all this, raise your hand. All of you. Everyone who has done this, who is aware of this, raise your hand. I cannot see some of the hands up. Manan, Mansi, Shriyansh, Vijay, you guys, what is the status at your end? What is the status? Vijay and Manan, are you done with this? Tell me.
Yes,
Raise your hand then. Vijay, what about you? Okay, Subhashish, you can proceed.
Yeah, this is the most important part of our Python. This is called a data structure. Okay, clear. So data structure, we have 4 data structure in Python. Clear. The first data structure is defined as list. List. List defined is this type of bracket. Clear. Next one is tuple. Tuple defined with this bracket. Okay. And set.
सर
Set
लीस्ट
is
स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट होता है ना
okay. Okay, sorry. Means it's my PPT में गलत हो गया. List is defined as square bracket. Clear. I have to write again. List is defined as square bracket. Okay. And tuple is defined as this bracket. And set is defined as this bracket. Clear. Both are correct. This is this. Clear. Let's start with the list. Okay. Lists are used to store multiple item in a single variable. Clear. This is the most important part. Whatever we learn up to that data type will be create this data type here. Okay. So in this PPT, you have to see. Let's see it. List are store multiple item in a single variable. List can be created using the data type like string, int, and boolean. List allow the duplicates value. List is changeable. You will be add an item to the list, and there is a different operation on the list will be discussed one by one. Indexing, append, insert, extend, pop, delete, and clear. So let's create a list first. So I have renamed the list name is list one. Clear? List one. Inside the list, I have adding some of the element like some of the city name, Delhi, Noida, and some of the numeric part like 10, 10, 14.5, and Boolean part have to add the true and false. Clear? This is about a list we are creating. If I print the list one, I have to type list one, then list one is visible here. Then if I print here, print the list one. So everyone should create this list and write your hand that I have created this list. Write this code from your end. Please write this code. Those who have write your code, please raise your hand here. Three guys is left. Please write your code like Mogan, Shreyans, and Vijay. So here, listen, accessing the element of the list. This is the important part. So here we have the list is there. So we have to accessing is an element through the list. Clear? So here we have accessing like Delhi, Noida, like 10 number. These are the number we are there. Okay. These are the elements inside the list. So it is defined as 0, 1, and 2, 3, 4. It is defined as 5, and it is defined as 6. It is defined as 5. Clear? And it is starting from -1. So accessing the element through the list is that we have to accessing the element like first element. So writing the in this way print list one, and inside the list we are writing index number. So it will be generate the index number. This is called as Delhi. Clear? Clear it? Then print last index number list one -1. Clear about it? False. So if I access up to any range of the list, then we write the range here from the positive side. Print list one, and I have to write the range here. Okay, you have to give in the range 0 to 3. It will be generate the 0 to 3 like 0, 1, 2 up to 3 means before 3 it will be generated like 1, 2, 3 element. Clear? Clear about it? Please respond.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
As well as same this thing as negative range like print my list one to write -4 here and -1 here, then it will be generate the list from the backend side, range of the list. Clear? Next part is a changing the element in the list. Changing the element in the list, we have adding some of the element like add method or any method is there, insert method. Insert method is a process to insert the element. Like insert, we are giving this position of this index. Index specify the index position. Okay, like we have list 1. So I want to insert the Kochi or any Pune city here after this position number. Okay, list 1 dot insert. I have to write insert. Okay, then I write the index number 1 comma, then I write Pune. Then I print the list 1. Clear? Position number 1 Pune is added. Are you able to understand? Please write this code here and raise your hand. You are able to write the code or not?
Done, sir.
Done. Let me check how many of you write. Please write others. Nine raise hand. Others are not writing. Please write it. Like Morgan, Shreyans, Vijay are not writing anything. Please write it. Okay. So let's please write. Either or show me your screen. You are writing or not. Next is append. Okay. Append is used to append any element. Like we have list 1. Then I want to add some of the element like list 1 dot append data like 100. They will be adding at the last part of the list. Last part of the list. But insert and append, there is an interview question is that insert and append. Insert is inserted the element at the specific index of the list, and append is add at the end of the list. Clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I am creating another list, list 2, and inside this list 2, I am adding some other element like 18 Mumbai, and I have added. Okay, there is 2 element is there. Okay, clear. So I want to extend the list. Okay, list 1 extend. This is a topic called as extend. List 1 dot extend list 2.
Sir, list to
Yeah, ask me.
no.
It will be added the last part, means we have created another list 2, and inside list 2 there is 2 element 18 and Mumbai, and we are follow the extend method list 1 dot extend. So list 1 dot extend, we have to extend the last, it is extended at the ending of the part like 18 and Mumbai added to list 1. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I want to remove the city Noida. Okay, remove method. Clear? Try to understand. remove the element. Okay, remove the city name is Noida. Clear? So how to remove it? You have to remove this list one dot remove. Please write the code, or you write the extend code. Those who have write the extend code, please raise your hand. List one. Okay, Noida is there. Noida is removed. Please raise your hand from how many of you write this code from this part, from extend part. Only six number of guys are writing. Okay, other are not writing. Number of respond is 9. 8. Please write this part also, like extend part as well as the remove part. Remove list one dot remove Noida list one. The Noida is removed from the list. Clear? Hello.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yeah. Next method is that if you please confirm that all of you write this code, so that I proceed to next. Only other.
Yes, sir. You can proceed.
Yeah. So next part is that we have to pop method is there. Pop method is used to remove the specific index. Okay. It is used to remove the element from the specific index. Okay, like we have to index number Delhi. I want to remove the Delhi here. Okay, from this index. Okay, so here I have to write list one dot pop one. Okay, so it will be remove this first element like Pune, because Pune is present in the one, but Delhi is it assigned as 0. So it is the assigning to remove the list on the basis of index. So the important noted here the point is that remove is used for the remove the element specified from the user. Okay, from the users means we are the users to use this programming language. So remove is used to remove the element from the specified user, like we have to use any specific thing. And next method is that index. Next method is index wise. Okay, pop method is to remove used to remove delete, sorry, I have to write the statement, delete the element from the list by specific specified index number. Clear? On the specified index number. Clear? As same as you have previously covered, there is a method called as we have two method like append and insert. Append and insert is there. We have to append and insert is used for like append is add the element at the last of the list, but insert is add the element as for the index number. Are you able to understand both understanding like append, insert? We have understand about your remove part, like remove the element through the remove method as well as pop method. How many are not able to understand? Please raise your hand. Okay. Not able to understand. Okay. Clear. Please tell me your doubt. Here, I think Dhir is there. Tell me your doubt. Which part you are not able to understand?
No, sir, I don't have any doubt. There was a glitch.
Okay. Next is there. Next is the delete. Delete is used to remove. Okay. Remove. Delete the specific index. Delete the index from the list. Okay. Clear. So we have list one. Inside the list one, I have to delete some of the element like list one, right? In this way, delete list one, zero, zero, print list one. Okay. So it will be delete the specific index by data through the delete method. Also, delete the method. So the difference between this delete and remove and pop is that delete is used to specify to delete the whole the list also. So you have to write the list like delete the list. I have to create a list 3. Okay. List 3, and inside list 3 I am adding some other element like 10, 20 and 30. Clear. So list 3, to write delete list 3, then it will be delete the whole list. Okay. If I write the list 3, then list 3 is not present here. Okay. Error is the list 3 is not defined. Please write the code. All this code you have. Please write the delete code from the here. And raise your hand how many able to write this code or not. Okay. Yeah, please raise your hand. Okay, 7 is there. Okay, please write other people, other guys, please write it. Next one is clear. Okay, clear method is used to clear the list. Like if I write the list as create another list like list 4. And inside the list 4, I am adding some other element like city name. Clear. And I have to print the list 4. So then next we have adding a option. This is called a list 4 dot clear. Okay. There is a difference between the delete and clear is that clear is empty the list, delete is delete the all the list. Here I have to write it. Delete is used to delete the index from the list and delete the list also. Clear is used to clear the list and clear the element from the list, or slash empty the list. Empty the list. Clear. Please write this part. Write the clear part of the from your end. Create a list
Done,
and
sir.
done. Let me check how many of you write it. Okay, clear about it, this part, all of you.
Yes, sir.
So next part we are starting is called as tuples. Okay. Tuples are used to store multiple items in a single variable also. Tuple is a collection of order and unchangeable. Tuple allow the duplicate value. Tuple can be created using the data type like string, float, and integer. So this is the important part is that we have tuple is store multiple element in the single variable. Tuple is a collection of order and unchangeable. Tuples allow the duplicate value. Tuple can be created all data type like string, float, and boolean, all these things. We will be justify one and one point. So let's start about your tuples. Okay. We have to create a tuple one. Clear. Tuple one. I am adding some of the element like 56, 56, 67, 8, 1, 6. Okay, clear. These are the adding the element. So if I check it is a tuple or not, type of tuple one. It is a tuple. Okay. How to check? Using type command, you should check is it a tuple or not. So if I print tuple one, so it will be in the order format. It is in this format like 56, 67, 1 and 6. So tuple can be create the different data type like we have to create the tuple 2, and if I add the different data type like city name, Delhi, Pune, Kochi, and I have added some of the string value like 10, 15.6, and I have added here Boolean expression like true and false. Clear. Tuple can be create the all the data type. Please write this statement, all the statement here. Please write it and raise your
Done.
hand. I am waiting for all of you. Clear. If a tuple is defined a order, then order is unchangeable. Means it is cannot be changed. Means it allow the duplicates. Tuple can be allow the duplicates also. If I add any other element here like 10 comma also, this is also possible. But tuple has do not access to remove the element. Remove the element. Remove the element. Okay, we have to in list we have to remove the element. This is the important question. What is the difference between the tuple and list? Okay, let's start about the indexing. Indexing in the tuple. So indexing we have write the tuple 2 and write 0, so it will be printing the tuple 0. This is called as Delhi. Okay. So if I write here -1, clear. So it will be generate the last part of the tuple, Delhi and false. If I write here a specific range, 0 to 4, then it will be defined as 0 to 4. Like Delhi, Pune, Kochi, and 10. 10 character, 10 number of elements is there. Please write this code.
Done.
So let me check how many are there, right? Next. Next one is tuple cannot be changed. Means in case of a tuple, you have created a tuple. So then you are not able to change. Tuple cannot be change the value. Tuple in tuple in tuple you cannot the change the value. Clear. So another important part of the tuple is that tuple is unchangeable or unmutable. Clear. Unchangeable and not mutable. Clear about it?
Yes.
So listen, we are converting a tuple to list also. This is possible. Converting tuple to list is possible. Clear. So how to convert? First of all, we define a tuple. Like we have to define a tuple as a is equal to, we are adding some of the element like 10, 15, and 30. Clear. So first of all, try to understand it, try write it. Then y is equal to or b is equal to a store list of a. Yeah. So let me check one by one. So we have to type of a. Type of a, it is a tuple, and type of b, then it is a called as a list. Understand my point? Hello. Please write this code, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Please confirm, are all are able to write this code?
Yes, sir.
So the most important part here is that we have to adding inside the B part. B is a list. Okay. So inside the B, we have the element number 1. We have to add the part is that 40. Clear. So we have to adding this 40. Then write A is equal to, try to understand, A is equal to tuple of B. Okay, clear. So then print A. A is equal to tuple of B. Print A not able to add this part. A is equal to tuple of Okay, let's keep it. Let's discuss about the next part of this tuple. Clear? Next part of the tuple is that in case of a tuple, we are using different loops, also like for loop, all these things will be discussed when we are covering the loop part. Still now, anyone having any doubt, please tell me. Okay. Hello.
No, sir, we don't have anyone.
Okay. Let's we have to creating a tuple to different tuple like T1 tuple number one tuple one. Inside tuple one, we are adding the different element like 10, 20, 30. Clear? Then I am adding another tuple. This is the tuple 2. And inside this tuple 2, I have adding 40, 50, 60. Clear? Then I create another tuple. This is the tuple number 3. And if I join these two tuple like tuple 1 and tuple 2, so I write the statement like tuple 1 plus tuple 2. Clear? So it will be so the tuple 3. So it will be addition of the tuple. Clear? Multiplication means multiply the tuple in the two times like tuple 1, like you have to store tuple 4. Please write the code. How many are able to write the code? Please raise your hand. Any doubt till still now? Please write it. Okay. I'm giving you 2 minutes again. Okay. So please generate a code. Then I'm giving you an exercise. So first of all, write code, pasted the part in this chart window. Okay. Create a tuple. Okay. Create a tuple. Next one is that access the first and last element. Next is that converting the tuple to list to list. Tuple to list. Last one is your create a tuple. Okay, create a tuple. Create two tuples and add join it. Add it and add both. So join up in the multiplication operation, what happen? First of all, tuple 1 is 10, 20, 30. So if I write tuple 1 into 2, it will be generate the number of items. This is the into 2 times. This is called as tuple 2. So first of all, you should write this code and paste it in the chart window. I have to paste it in the chart window. Please write the code and paste. Please write all the code here. Okay, paste it in the chart window. Each and everyone. So let me check how many are able to understand this thing. First statement is that first question. First of all, you should create a tuple. Then you have to create the write a code to access the first element of the tuple and last element, and then converting tuple to list and create two tuples and add the both tuples. All of you, please write it. Please write it in the pasted in the chat window also. Okay, all of you please write it. Yeah, clear. Both two people are writing. Same as please write other also. Those who have write, please raise your hand also so that I want to understand those who have to write this code. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 person or has I got this reply about. What about other 10 people? Okay, please write the code. I'm giving you 5 minutes only. And we start those sets. Yeah, clear. Seven only. Okay, let's start about the set. Okay, so all this thing I received. Thanks all of you. So next part is starting about your sets in part. Okay, clear. So basically set is used to store the multiple atom in a single variable. It is a on order, unchangeable. Duplicates are not allowed. And sets atom are unchangeable, but you can remove the element or add the element new atom to sets. Clear? So indexing is not applicable to set. Okay. Clear, indexing is not applicable to sets. So first of all, we create a sets. So let's move to collab and create a set here. Clear, set one. Then I have to write the set one. Set one, I have write some of the city name here. Same as the city name. right? Delhi, Noida, Jaipur, okay. Then write 10, Jaipur, 10, 18.5, and true, and we have writing false, okay. So it is able to create, sets one is able to create as a all the data type like string data type, integer data type, as well as it is able to create the Boolean data type. Clear? Sets are in order formats means it will be starting from this numeric order like 10, 18.5, Delhi, false, Jaipur, Noida, and true. This is in the order format. Clear? So next one is that how to check the set or dictionary type of set. Okay, set one. So then we have to check it is a set one. Set is there. Okay, set data structure is there. Clear? So in the set, you are not able to access the element by indexing. Okay, indexing. Clear? This is an important point. So you can access any element from this set, okay, using print statement also. Using checking this part in this print statement, print here. In this here you should access it like 10 in set 1. So it will be set 10 in set 1 means it will be show as true, means it will the 10 is present in the set. In this way, we have to check it is present or not. So changing the element, you can change, not able to change the element inside the set. Once this set is created, you are not able to change. Add, okay, add method. Add is that we have to add the data to set, element to the set. Before I move, please write this statement, okay? All the statement, whatever the code I have to written here. Please raise your hand. How many of you write this code one by one? 5 people is already written. Please update me, then I proceed to next. I giving you 2 minutes to write the code, okay? Okay, let's start about all of you write the code about this part. Around 9 people. Okay, let's write the adding the element. So I have a set one is there clear. In the set one, I want to add any other element like 20 number is there. Okay, adding the element set one dot add any city name like Mumbai is there. So I have to add the city name set one. So Mumbai is added inside the set one. It is a comes after the Jaipur as per order of operation, like alphabetically order. Then I've created another set two, and inside this set two, I have adding some of the element like 16, 5, and a city name. This is called as Kolkata. Okay, or I have to add the city name as Kochi. Okay, left Kochi, Kochi, and Allovar. Okay. These are the two city name, and this is the set two. I want to update the set two 2 to set 1. Okay. So in this method, we have to use the update statement to update the set. Okay. So I write the set 1 dot update set 2. If you want to store in another set, this is possible. Set 3 is there, and in the inside the set 3, I have to store it. Set 1 dot set 2 update. So if I print set 3, all the elements are there. Sorry, I have think it is not updated. Let me check again. Set 1. Okay. So here what happened? It will be update the set 1. Inside this set 1, you are able to view the number. This is 10, 16, 18.5, 5, Albor, and we have to Delhi, Fos, Jaipur, Kochi, Mumbai, Noida, and True. This will be update the set 2, set 1 to set 2. So let's create a another set 4, and we have to adding some of the element like 10, 20, small element like 30. And I have added another element set 5, and inside the set 5 I'm adding some of the other element like 40, 50, and 60. Clear? So we have adding the set 4 dot update set 5, then print the set 4. Please. Okay, so this is the update the another set 1 is there. Set 4 we have to element 10, 20, 30, and set 5 is 40, 50, 60. Set 4 dot update set 5, set 4 we have to add in 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 is there. Please write your question. Please write all the code, whatever this thing. Please write your question here. Any doubt you have. Please ask your doubt. Okay, please raise your question, raise your doubt, whatever all this thing. Okay, clear about it. Please answer that I am clear about this thing. Hello.
Yes, sir, clear.
गाइस कोई भी डाउट है अभी तक आप पूछ सकते हो सर से कोई भी डाउट अभी तक पूरी क्लास में है आप पूछ लो
No,
सेशन
ma'am,
समझ आ
अभी
रहा है
तक
सबको
सब क्लियर है. Yes, ma'am.
सबको समझ आ रहा है ठीक
Yes.
है आगे बढ़ सकते हो वशीष आप आगे बढ़ जाओ
Next, we have starting about your remove item from the set. Okay, we have set 1. Okay, in the set 1 we have the element like set 2. Like in the set, let's create another set 5, set 6. Okay, inside the set 6 I have adding the some element like 10, 20, 50, A, B, and C. So we have set 6 is there. So we get 10, 20, 50, A, B, C is there. Okay, clear. So these are the element inside the set. So I want to remove the element, any element. So I have to write this set 6 dot remove statement. Then I write here the 50. So it will be remove the 50. set 6. Clear. So it will be remove the element. Another method is to remove is that discard. Okay. So set 6 dot discard. In the discard I have write B. So it will be remove the discard also. There is no major difference between the remove and discard. You have to use any method. Clear. Please write the code, all these things. Then I move to another method, pop. Pop method, let me write it. Okay. Set 6 dot pop. You have to write in this way only. Set 6 only. It will be remove the last element. Okay. Any element, random element from the set. Okay. Random element from the set. Okay. So remove method is to remove the any element from the set. Discard is also same, and pop method is to remove the random number. Okay. So I have to write here the comment. Pop method has remove the random element from the list. Sorry, from the set. Clear? Anyone having any doubt, please ask me.
No doubts.
Clear? Then next one is that clear method is to clear the set. Okay, so we have set 6 dot clear as same as previous. So set 6 with the clear the set. So like set 5 we have set 5 is to delete the element. Clear method is to delete the element. Or I have to set 5 and to delete the set 5, delete the set 5 is the delete the set. Sure. So set 5 is gives us error because the set 5 is not present. They are not defined. Okay, let's understand about the join operation in the sets. Okay. So join operation, there is a different type of join operation like union and update method is to join both of the sets. Intersection method is there, difference method is there. Okay, so first of all, we are creating a set 1. And inside the set 1, I have adding some of the element like 10, 20, 30, 40. Look, and we have create another set 2. So inside this set 2, I have element 20, 30, 40, and 50. Look, so if I, sorry, I have not given this one. So here I have to add the set 1 and set 2 is there. There is a two set are there, set 1 and set 2. So I want to update it union as set 3. Okay, set 3 that equal to set 1 dot union set 2. Clear. So define as set 3. 10, 20, 30, 40, and 50 is there. Means which is the not repeated element, it will be giving the 10, 20, 30 is present. Okay, 10, 20, 30 present in the both the state. Okay, clear. So it will be gives a 10, 20, 40, and 50. 5 element is there. Clear? Hello? Please write the code properly. Hello?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Please write the code. You have given union operation in this way also, like union. This is the one operation, or you have to give it the union in this way also, not the union. Then you give the slash also. slash is considered as union. Please write, those who have able to write, please raise your hand that have to completed this part. So let's suppose we have around 4-5 sets are there. Okay, clear. How do you union it? Like we have set 1, set 2, set 3 is there. Okay, clear. So let's I have to write here. Set 1 and set 2 is already there. We have 10, 20. Then we have another set 4 is there. Okay. So set 4, I have adding some of the element like 50, 60, 70. Clear. These are called as set 4. We have 3 sets, set 1, set 2, set 3 and set 4. I want to union all these set. So I write here my set is equal to set 1 dot union. Then you have to write here set 2 comma set 4. So it will be union all the set. So if I print my set, okay, so if I print my set, it will give me the result about 10, 20, 30, 40, 60 and 70 because listen, set 1 contains 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, through the pen I will understand. Okay. Listen. So first of all, in this part, like we have one sets 10, 20 and 30 element is there. Okay, 30, 40 is there. Clear. Another set we have 20, 30, 6, 40 and 50 is there. Clear? All of you clear about it? And we have another set. This is called as 50, 60, 70. Okay. So we have the data is that 50, 60 and 70. Clear? So it will be giving me result about 10, 20, 30. Clear? And 50, 60, 70. Clear? Let me check the result is comes or not. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Clear? This is our result. All of you able to clear it? Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Next one is intersection of the set. Okay, set 1, we have the data, and set 2, we have the data. Clear? So I have cleared the intersection. So I have to create the set 1 dot intersection. Then I write your set 2. And I have to write the inter part. So it will be generate the 20, 30, 40. The both element present in the set. This is called as intersection of the sets. Clear? Hello? So you have to write
Yes,
the
sir.
Yes.
intersection. You have to write other method also. Set 1 dot set 1. Sorry, intersection is equal to set 1 into set 2. Then also write this inter. Clear about it?
Yes.
So this is all about your set. Also another statement is there, difference. Okay, difference you have to write set 1 dot set 1 minus set 2. So you get the set difference 10. Okay, what is the set 1 difference means? We have set 1 and set 2, the difference is that 20, 10 is there. Okay, like set 1 is only 10 is present. Clear? So this is the difference of the both set. Clear? This is all about set operation of the set. Okay, clear? Then we start your dictionary. Last data structure. Okay. So dictionary are used to store the data in Dictionary are used to store the data in key value format. Clear? Dictionary is a collection of order changeable, not do not allow the duplicates. Clear? Hello? You should follow this PPT, but I write some of the different code to generate all these things. So I will try to write. Okay. Yeah.
Okay.
So let's create a dictionary here. In this dictionary, we have created dic1. Okay, dic1. So inside the dictionary, we have required some of the key value format. Okay, key value format. Clear? Key value format means it is the defined as in this way, like square bracket. But we required some of the key value format. Key value means we required some of the key like value, like we have like student, any proper thing. Okay, language. Okay, language is there. Clear? I write the language. Then I have to write in this way, like it is a Python. Clear? Comma. Should write in this way. Then I have to write the level. Okay. Clear? Is it? Then we have to year. This year it is the defined. No string value, then it is a defined 1991. Sure. Hello.
Yes.
So it is a dictionary. Is that like language Python level is easy, year is 1991. So it does not allow duplicates. Okay, if you write the duplicate statement, then it is not executable. Clear? So if I print the dictionary, then if I write the statement to print the dictionary, so it will printing the dictionary. PICT1. So it will be printing this dictionary. Sorry, what happened? Spelling mistake. Sorry. Clear. So if I print here the any brand, any name like language, all this thing. So you have to write in this way, like print here. Language. Okay. So it will be print the language called as Python. Clear? Hello.
Yes.
So if I write any duplicate statement, like any duplicate statement of the dictionary, like I have to create a dictionary with duplicate statement another year. So write here year 2000. Okay. It will be give me error. The duplicate now it is wrong. What happens? Okay, listen. Duplicates value are override the existing value. Okay, means if you write the duplicate value, it will be override the existing value. Okay, clear? Override it in the duplicate value. If I write the length of the dictionary, so if I write here text one, length is 3, means 3 value. Clear about it?
Yes, sir.
Next part we are discussing about this key value pair. Okay, accessing the element by using any accessing the element using this is the way x is equal to dict1, okay, dot get right here easy, right, easy x is that, and this x will store it easy. Okay, x is equal to, let me write, x is equal to dict1 keys. Okay, keys are stored like language level and all these things. And this one dot get methods. Get method is to getting this part like easy. But why it is not run here? I'm not able to understand. Okay, for the let's see the key value pair. It is the key value pair. We get the language level and year. Clear about it? Please write the code of the dictionary from the
Yes.
beginning. Please write it. Intersection, all this said, you have written this part, upper part, all of you. Please raise your hand.
Yes.
How many of you completed the set? How many of you completed the dictionary also? First of all, complete the dictionary. Yeah, please write it. Have you write it all this thing?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. Done.
So done. The next part we are covering about the dictionary is called as removing element through the dictionary. Okay. Add element, add item to the dictionary. Yeah. So let's suppose we have a data called as yeah. There next we have adding the element like we are adding the language, all this thing like dict one. So here we have the data called as language Python level easy year 2021. So I want to add some of the uses of Python like date use. So use one and use two. So I want to add it like you have to how to add it. Okay. So you have to write dict one and inside this I have to use a Python level use of I have to use this write as use one clear uses of this Python. So I have to use the Python as data analytics. Clear. So it is a gives an error because we have to not write the double quotes here. Clear. So DICT dict one. So if I say right here use of Python is use one is data analytics. Clear about it? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So another method of update the dictionary is that dict one dot update 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 here, and if I write here the in this level like you have to write here use two and you have to write here in this way like use two there Use to, then I write here ML, machine learning. There. So here is the direct one. There is a different use of this part. So language is Python, level is easy, year 2000. Lastly, we updated. Use two is ML. Use one is data analytics. Clear? In this way, there is a two method to add the part. Another method is that we are going to discuss of this dictionary operation of the dictionary is remove dictionary element. Clear? So first method is pop. Pop method is that you have to remove the item from specified key number. Okay, like key value. Like we have to use this pop method. I want to remove the use two. Okay, so I have to write dict dot pop. Please write all these things.
Yes.
Pop is there, like we have to write use one, use two, then it will be removed. Sorry, it is defined as dict one, not dict. Error, this is the error. So use two is remove. Please write it all this code, like add the item to the part, adding item.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move to next part. Okay, I'm going to write it. Write it. Okay. Next, move to next part. This is the dictionary pop item. Okay, pop item. Dict one dot pop item is used to remove the specific last element. Okay, last inserted part. This is the use one. Like use one is to remove. Pop item is to remove the last part of the dictionary. Okay, clear?
Yes.
Last inserted item. This is the specify inserted item. Clear? So here we are adding the different thing like delete this text, and inside this text I have added easy. Okay, sorry, not this text one I had to define easy. Okay, easy. So it will be delete the easy part, like easy or your, not this key value, sorry part, we have to add the level. Yeah. Clear. So it will be delete the level. Okay, clear. So I have to print the dictionary here. So it will be printing the dictionary. Okay. This is the means currently time is already off, so we have to end the session. Okay. Clear. So some of the part of the dictionary is left, so will be covered tomorrow on it. Okay.
So,
Clear.
guys, any concern, any feedback so far? How was the session?
And it was good.
Yeah. How was the session, guys?
Good, ma'am.
It was fine, ma'am.
Good. Understood everything?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay, so now we will be having sessions every day, evening 6:30 to 8:30. So I would be sending you the meeting link in WhatsApp group. Okay, guys?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, and Sonika, is everyone there on in the group or anyone missing there?
Ma'am, everyone is there except Smith. I have sent him the invite. He haven't accepted it.
Okay, so make sure he or she is joining.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके एंड वहाँ पे मैंने एक शीट का लिंक भेजा है, उसमें आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग्स के लिंक्स में डालती रहूँगी, तो उसके लिए डेली आपको कोऑर्डिनेट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, बस वो शीट खोलोगे आपको लिंक मिल जाएगा. ठीक है गाइस, ऑल कूल.
Yes.
ओके, थैंक यू सुभाशीष, बाय एवरीवन.
Thank you all.
Bye,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you.